You are grounded for 23229853233225992395237952378229735 years. You don't call me fat. I'm Warren Cook. The emergency alert system has issued a food contamination warning for all of Go City. A bunch of fat Warren Cooks are farting on Tank Mountain, which poisoned the food plant. The toxic fumes from fat Warren Cook behinds are also making their way into the city. Do not eat anything you bought within the last 2 hours, and stay 10 kilometers away from Tank Mountain.
The emergency alert system is issuing a civil danger warning for everyone within an 80 kilometers radius of Tank Mountains. The fat Warren Cooks are still at it strong, farting like mad. We suggest getting a battery-powered radio from your basement or attic. If possible, get into the lowest or highest part of your house. Try not to go outside unless necessary. The toxic fumes the fat Warren Cooks are producing are fatal and prolonged exposure, so if you have to go outside, make your trips brief and avoid buying laxatives in case you fart.
The emergency alert system is back, with an urgent bulletin. The fat Warren Cooks are reproducing, and the count is up to 4,000 Warren Cooks farting simultaneously. The fumes are toxic enough to kill a small elephant. Stay inside if you are within a 700 kilometers radius of Tank Mountain, as exposure to the fumes for longer than 10 minutes is deadly. Tune into 89.1 on your battery-powered radio if you are within a 100 kilometers radius of Tank Mountain and Go City. If you are tuned into a station that is close to you, you're watching GoAnimate Network. This concludes broadcasting under the GoAnimate Network emergency alert system, due to the fumes getting inside of our studio. Tune into your battery-powered radio now. Repeat, tune into your battery-powered radio now. We are signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye.
This is 89.1 FM. The fat Warren Cooks won't stop. The fumes are entering Nunavut and northern Alberta. The fart gas has expanded to a 2,500 kilometers radius, even affecting Spain. At this point, there is nothing we can do. Stay inside and try to wait this out because the gas is penetrating through hard surfaces. This is 89.1 FM, we're sorry, but this radio station is getting taken down by the fumes and the stink of the farts. There is no way to communicate with the people. Here's advice. Stay in the coldest, most isolated part of your house or shelter. Wrap yourself in blankets and wait this out. Again, this is 89.1. Saying goodbye forever.
in Warren Cook.